What should I call you? Either uncle or brother.
You, uh, uncle.
Uncle, okay, okay.
Uh,
No problem.
uncle.
I'll call you uncle. So, uncle, let me know about how many children do you have in your family?
How old are you?
I'm only 23 years old, a young boy.
Yeah, you can say uncle.
Very optimistic person. I'm learning each and every day. I gathering lots of information from the kind of different countries around the world. You know, and whenever I will to do something for the people, I will try to help other people. With that things, I become master of it. But I want to do something with very effectively. I want to helping other people. But before that, I should know that the things that I'm going to help. You know, before I know some things, how can I help other peoples? This is the things. That's all.
Okay, okay. So, tell me about your education.
Uh,
Shaklain.
thank you for asking. I have done my diploma in nursing science and midwifery course here in Bangladesh, and I'm doing a job at a hospitals. But this job is not meant for me, I would say. So that's why I'm trying to do something else for myself. Every private sector job is very hard. I have to say that. You have to maintain command of your boss, and this thing make me so weird. These things makes me so annoying. I don't want to. I don't want to hear any other people's comments in this app. But in that case, I must have to have my own organization or my own company like you. That you told me you are a businessman, so you don't need to take care of any other persons. So I want to do something for myself as like you.
Okay, okay. You want to become a businessman?
I want to become a businessman. Actually, I don't want it, but I want to help other people by myself. I have to create something for this world. I have to do something for other peoples that people can really helped by me.
Okay, okay. That's great. That's great.
Yes. So, what kind of businessman you are, my friend?
Dupatta, niqab, hijab, stole, everything for women and girls.
Wow, everything for women and girls. So you like women, right?
Yes, yes, yes. My business is only for women.
Yes, you are. You are absolutely right. So that's why you designed your business only for women.
Yes, you, you, you can see here. You can see here.
Wow, wow. And this is your shop, right?
Yes, yes. I'm a wholesaler only. I didn't retail. I don't retail.
Wow. That's great. So please show your whole shop.
Yes,
So
wholesale shop. I wholesale shop only.
yes, I asked you that please demonstrate your shop. I want to see it. How big your shop?
Yes, yes. By God bless, everything is good.
Yes, definitely, definitely, definitely.
Uh,
Okay.
I have been as a working since 1990.
Yes.
So I I spend a lot of time.
Lots of time you spend for this business. So definitely, it should be grow your business. It should to have a big business of you, and you have made it for yourselves, and most probably you will grow it after a couple of years later. You will grow it more. I'd say.
Actually, when my age 13 years,
Yep.
I did a start business.
That's great.
I didn't study.
Yes, you didn't study. You only You only looked after for business, and you was
I
trying to make a business for yourself.
I did class 6 only.
Class six only. You have done your class six only. You still can learning. You still you speak English language. Wow, that's a great thing. That's a great thing. I have to say, because nowadays the people who has graduated from their university or who has graduated from their masters or higher study from the big universities, still they can't speak English language. But I think these things will inspire lots of students, lots of young people that the age at 46
Yes,
and he has not done any study. I would say he has done only six class in his life, but as a businessman, as an old person, he started learning English language, and he proved that nothing is impossible. You know, age doesn't matter.
yes. You can do everything.
Yes,
Depend on your passionate. Depend
definitely should
on
have a
your
more passionate or learning about it
yes.
uh, to do something.
Now, especially nowadays, this time, if you have mobile, if you have everything,
Yes, definitely.
you can create environment, Bengali environment, Urdu environment. You can create. Depend on yourself.
Yes, definitely.
Everything you will meet.
Definitely.
Everything. So I did choice. We want learn speak English.
Yes.
Okay.
So method
We
you following to learn English to in order to learning English language, my friends? You just talking with other people, having conversations, or you were trying other different kind of things as well beside that?
I we should learn speak English. That's why I joined this app, audio call. After that, I talk. I did talk 1 year continuously audio call. After that, I joined uh, video call.
Wow. So you are going through step by step process. You are not trying to do all the things together, you know? So you started from beginning and you moved into intermediate level and you are now trying to make your English as advanced. You know, you want to read up your hesitations and signage through communicating with other people video calls. You know,
Yes.
this is a great
Now,
thing. That will help you to have your effective communication with your client, and that will help you to have a effective communication with other people face to face. Yeah, that's great things you are doing. So we have lots of different kind of things to learn from you. You know,
nowadays, I am able to talk everyone.
as well, and hopefully that will inspire a lot of other young people as well.
So yesterday has come one yesterday came one Surani customer in the my shop.
Yep.
I, I I did talk them. He took lot of food.
Wow.
Okay.
Great.
Before 1 year, I am not able to talk. At that time, I can't. 1 years ago, I
Yes.
able to talk. But nowadays,
To talk with other people. You didn't able to communicate with other people 1 year ago, but now in the present situation, you can communicating with your foreigners
yes,
clients. That's a great thing, and probably that is helping you to grow your business, to sell your product with other countries peoples, and might be sometimes different countries peoples buying lots of clothes when they when they visiting other countries. So probably that will definitely help you to develop your business whenever you're able to having a effective communication with your client,
I
and most probably if foreigners visit your place often, that is a great news
I
for
visit. I
you
visit. I
lots
visit.
foreigner clients.
I visit already China, Dubai, Saudi. I visited already.
You have visited four countries, right?
Yes, yes. China
China,
too.
three countries. So why did you visit it there? Why did you visit there?
I visit China for business purpose.
Only business purpose.
I
Wow, that's
I brought some goods there from China.
from China and you took in India, right?
Yes.
You went to China and you bought some clothes and you took all of those clothes in your business shop in India, right?
You will meet Chinese some difference quality, Indian quality some difference. If you have soap, you want lot of variety, variety. That's why
Wow.
that's why I visit China. I visit Dubai. I have some Dubai products, some Chinese products. A lot of Indian, 90% Indian products, but 10%
Yes.
is other countries my products. I visit Dubai and Saudi for Umrah purpose. I visit one time uh, uh, Dubai. I did Umrah one time.
Wow. That's great. That's great. So, as I know, you can order some products from China through online, and maybe they will provide you
Yes,
the product
I
that you like most. And nowadays, the world becomes so faster, world becomes so closer because of the internet. So maybe you visited China. That is a great thing. You can buy some clothes and buy some things that you need by yourselves to wash them carefully and to check and to taste what kind of product, their quality. But you can order online as well if you don't like to visit other places or other countries.
you. I told you you can do everything because nowadays mobile everyone has mobile.
Yep.
That's why you can work, you can do anything easily.
Yes, definitely.
I can
Definitely.
talk China peoples, I can talk Dubai people, I can talk Turkish people easily by mobile.
Yes, definitely. You can talk with each and every kind of people if you have a good proficiency in English language. Because I would say the people who is not from English speaking countries, at least there is very few people they can understand English language. Uh, no matter they are educated person or not educated persons. But when you visit other countries, you might know English language, you might have good proficiency about English language, so you can order some food, you can go somewhere else, you can ask your locations, your desirable locations, and other people might be some people are there who will able to help you in English language. But in their native language, you are not going to understand, and probably your language too
Mhm. If,
understand. So English is very crucial for our life, for visiting, for doing business, and so many more things. For study and for having our competitive exam, our government job exams, and so many more things.
if you go abroad, they are in most important English language.
Yes, definitely. You are right.
Yes, if you come to India, I don't know a Bengali language, but I know English. I can conversation with you.
Yes, definitely, definitely. You are absolutely right, my friend.
Yes. So I am giving advice. I am giving you invite.
Yes.
You must come India. I
Yes.
will welcome to you.
Yes, definitely. I want to visit India because India is a big country. There has several culturals, different kind of cultures. I would like to see those kind of things. And India is our very close neighbors. So if
Yes.
I get a chance to go there, definitely I will go. I don't want to miss this chance. And if I had my destination, if I have my destinations, definitely I will meet you there in India.
You can become my guest.
Yep.
You can become my guest.
Yes.
Okay. I will wait you shaklain.
Yes. My name is Shaklain.
Yes, I know. I know your name is shaklain.
Yep.
Okay.
So you also invited to visit in my country and in my home as well. And
Inshallah,
already
inshallah,
told me that you have visited so many countries in this world, probably.
inshallah, I will
for-
come.
So
Inshallah, I will
I
come.
invited you to come to visit in my countries. Here we have a very natural beauties in Bangladesh, very hospitable persons. The most important thing that we have is hospitable persons in my country. So when you come here in Bangladesh, you will get the you will able to see the hospitality. You know, Bangladesh people is very friendly. You will be easily can match yourself with Bangladeshi people.
Which area do you live exactly? Dhaka?
Actually, I live in Rajshahi.
Outside?
Rajshahi.
I don't know. I don't know.
Oh, okay. So there is no problem. You can come Dhaka, and I will too. I will take you in my home, and we will visit Bangladesh together. You know the capital city in my country, Dhaka. So you can come to Dhaka, and I will take you in my home.
I know Dhaka only.
Yep. So I highly invited you to visit Bangladesh. You are a great businessman, and most probably you can find lots of clients in Bangladesh as well. You can invite them to visit your shop and to buy some clothes.
Yes, yeah, 100% I will come one day.
Yes,
Inshallah,
inshallah, inshallah. So I
Allah come
for you
there.
to meet you in
Yes.
Bangladesh.
Uh, uh, I am very passionate for go Bangladesh.
But
Okay.
why are you so passionate to come in here? May I know about it, please?
Inshallah, I will come 100% one day. I
Yes,
can't,
I
I
appreciate.
can't, I can't give, I can give time. I can't give time, but I will come near soon, inshallah. Uh,
Yes, I appreciate it, my friend.
two, three friend, they are my friend, they are in Dhaka.
Wow. So
Yes,
are they from Bangladesh or are they from in India?
yes, yes. They are working there.
Wow. So they are your native countries people, your friends, but they are working in Dhaka city, right?
My native state, Bihar.
Bihar. Wow, that's great. So I have met few people who is from Bihar, and I often found some people, Bihari people, and I meet them so many times. And you are actually from Bihar, but you are doing business in Mumbai city, right?
I have been living since 2000 in Mumbai.
Wow, that's good. So what about your family? Where does your family live?
I have six family. I have a 20-year-old my son.
Yep.
They are business. He does business. He
Wow.
is good businessman. My son is very good businessman.
Wow, that's great.
Yes. And I have two daughters 17 and 14. They are steady.
They are studying. That's good. So best of luck for your family and best of luck for your future. Best of luck for your English and all of those things. So thank you very much for having a great time.
Everyone
Questions, even though you gave me some time to talk with you. And hopefully we will meet again in the future.
inshallah,
Whenever
inshallah.
we get free time at the same time. You know. So thank you very much, my uncle, and thank you
Okay.
for your time. You are such a persons. Thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh.
Free to call me anytime and feel free to text me as well. And we will have a communications. Okay?
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh.